Are you looking for legit learn and earn websites and apps where you can learn new information and get paid at the same time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online. And what better way to earn than earning while you're actually learning new skills at the same time and getting new knowledge? And there are actually ways to do that. And in this video, I will show you 4 legit apps and websites for this. So before I go over the 4 methods I want to show you, I just first want to set the expectations, because there will be, as mentioned, 4 different methods, and some of them will be super easy and super fast where you can earn right away. And then there will also be options where it takes more effort because it's more you can say complicated stuff you need to learn, but then the earning potential also is a lot bigger and even potentially a really great full-time income. But that's how it in general is online, that the time you put in, also the earnings will often be equal to that. So if it's ways to earn where you can earn right away, it's usually quite easy. And if it's opportunities that can earn you a lot of money, it will usually take more time and effort to reach that. That's just how it is. And I will show you options for both. So no matter what your goals are, you can find options for this where you can learn, get new knowledge and earn at the same time. And the 4 options here, it's not a prioritized list, because which options are the best really depends on your personal preferences and goals. So the first option I wanted to talk about is Crypto.com's university. And Crypto.com is a crypto platform. I have quite a few videos about it because it's a very easy to use and beginner friendly app if you're interested in cryptocurrency. And they actually also have a university, as they call it, where you can learn about crypto. So if you're a beginner, you can get more information about it that can help you to benefit more from the opportunities that is in crypto, in my opinion. And it's very easy to follow, easy to do. I have actually also a full video. I'll leave a link in the top corner. I also have a full written tutorial on my website of the Crypto.com University. I'll leave that below so you can check out more information. But if you're interested in learning more about crypto and earning a bit at the same time, then this can be a great opportunity. The next one is actually also where you can learn about crypto. We will also have options where it's not about crypto, don't worry about that. And this is CoinMarketCap. And CoinMarketCap is a platform that has a lot of information about crypto and where a lot of people go, myself including, to keep an eye on the different rates of crypto and how the market goes. And they also have an earnings section where you can actually learn about crypto and earn at the same time. There's not always opportunities, there's not that many, so it takes a little bit more patience, but if you are interested in crypto anyways, it can also be a way to earn a bit of crypto. I also have a full video about that. I will leave a link to that below and also in the top corner. So if that's the option you want to go for, you can learn more about it there. But next we will then talk about another opportunity that long term can give you really great potential income. So the next option is one where you can learn affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is one of the best methods to create a full-time income online, in my experience, if you are a beginner and want to build a real online business. And the platform where I started myself is called Wealthy Affiliate. And this is a platform where you learn everything from scratch, step by step. So you're taken through everything, you get all the tools, everything is included to build a real online affiliate marketing business. And I have used this training. I have learned here to build a really great full-time online income myself. So I know that if you actually take action and follow it, you can see really great results. But this is only if your long-term goal is to build a real online income. This will not happen overnight. The other options I showed, you can just join and start earning right away. It takes a few minutes here. You need to be serious. You need to be willing to learn. You need to be willing to also actually invest a little bit in premium training. You can get started for free to find out if it's for you, and I would advise you start like that. But if you are serious, you need to also be willing to pay a small amount for premium training and for the tools, and then this can be something that can give you a really great long-term sustainable online income by learning at the same time. And you learn skills here that are actually something that many companies also want. So at the same time, you also learn skills about online marketing, about all aspects of that can also give you great money and great value over time. I will leave a link below also to more information about the exact steps that I have used to get started here, where I will take you through also the best way to get started there. So you can sign up on my website to get more information about this opportunity if this is your goal and you're serious about these long-term opportunities to create a real income. So the last I wanted to show you is called Sogo app, and this is an app you can download both for iOS devices and Android devices. They are not completely clear about exactly which countries it's available in, so I can't say exactly where it is possible to join or not, but it is an app that is kind of fun way to learn about different financial aspects. So it's kind of giving you financial education, and then you can earn at the same time. So it's quite interesting topics in my opinion, and it's kind of a fun way if you want to learn more about different financial topics, but you just need to be aware that you won't actually be earning cash as such, because the earnings that you get here, the points, they can be taken out at different gift cards once you've earned $5. So it's not a super effective way to earn, but it can be a good way to learn more about certain financial aspects, and then a little bit of bonuses once in a while, as gift cards can of course also be great. I also have a full review about this on my website, a full tutorial. I will leave a link to that below so you can also check that out. So as you can see, if you want to learn and earn at the same time, there are some great options. Some of them super fast to get started with. You can start earning right away. The one that can give full-time income that I showed you, the one that I have actually used myself to build a great full-time income, of course also will take more effort and time. That's just how it is. But I have more information about all these options. As I mentioned earlier, I will leave links below so you can go there and check out more about the options that you think are the right for you. And no matter what, I also hope this video helped you and gave you some inspiration. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.